front of me, we are having the system which is a real-time smart energy management system using Raspberry Pi with IoT. So here I'm just having Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, and which is for display. I'm just interfaced one LCD here, and here we are having these boxes, one with a heavy load and other two with the normal load. So it's already turned on here. So this is for monitor display. I'm just connected monitor here. So for Raspberry Pi supply, I just connected one 5V adapter here with the 2 amps supply. The first load I just connected 3 loads here. For just a load, I'm having a bulbs, so which is connected with the 3 different separate loads. So I'm just gonna run the code. So for current and measurement, we installed current and potential transformer inside that power board. So I'm gonna run the code, run on the run module. So in the display, I'm just showing energy meter. Now the time is 22:48. So it is normal time. So voltage gonna be a constant, and current gonna measure for every individual loads, like heavy load current and load B current and load C current. So it's gonna also display in monitor as well as in LCD. So after calculating current and voltage, it's measured power, and then after obtaining the power, it calculated energy in terms of kilowatt per hour. After obtaining those values, it's gonna upload in the cloud, so that we can able to see the values which is happening in which time. So it's uploading, so it is automatic mode. In the ThingSpeak account, we are seeing those values. So this is automatic mode. So turn on to the manual mode. I already connected this Raspberry Pi with some other network. For that, first I have to find the IP address. So IP address is 192.168.43.180. 92.168. So 43.180/user.php. So it's asked for username and password for this username and password. So after I click the login in, so it says it's having manual control buttons, as well as it's showing what is the voltage, what is the current, and what is the power, and what is the energy. Everything is showing in that as a text format. So 3 loads in automatic mode, like so. I'm just gonna turn it on to the manual mode. So I'm just gonna turn off every loads manually. So first heavy load off, and then load B off, and load C off. So at the same as it will measure current and voltage at the same time. So I'm just gonna turn it on again. Load A on, load B on, and load C on. So thank you for watching this video, guys. For more projects and for more products, please visit bandexsolutions.in.